joining us again on YouTube. So today, our little activity slash experiment is going to be SideWalk paint chalk. So this one does not stain. I wanted to do fluffy paint and that one stains, so don't do that one. But this doesn't stain. So all you're gonna need is cornstarch, water, and some food coloring. And it's a lot of fun. It's easy for anybody. But yeah, let's get started. So today we're not only making SideWalk paint chalk, but we are going to experience chalking together as a group. So chalking is like a Girls Inc. staple where we go out and write positive messages for everybody. So I know within the world of COVID and a lot of things going on right now, positivity kind of feels low, anyways personally to me, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go to my lovely friends' houses or the other facilitators' houses, so Heather, Brie, and Tracy's houses, and we're gonna chalk their houses. So keep watching and stay tuned to see how this goes. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great weekend filled with sunshine and happiness, and we'll see you next time. Bye.